Do you want to go fuller, longer, thicker hair? Watch this video. Okay, in today's video, I'll be showing you an amazing hair growth deep condition that's going to help you to treat your hair and help you with coils, bouncy hair. So I'm using this on my daughter's hair, and this is a deep condition. I'll be telling you guys the ingredients to use. First ingredient we're using is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed has a lot of benefit for hair growth. Okay, it helps in stimulating your hair, it helps in stopping hair loss, it's thickening your hair when used consistently. Okay, so this is how fenugreek seed looks like, and we'll be using a teaspoon for this. Okay, so the next one I'll be using is rosemary. Rosemary is really potential for hair growth. Okay, it has this tingling sensation that is going to help you in case you have like an itchy scalp. Okay, so this is the rosemary I'll be using. I'll also be using 1 teaspoon as well, so in case you have the fresh one, you can use that as well. So the next one I'm going to be using is clove. Clove is really good for hair growth. Okay, it has antifungal and antibacterial that helps you to clearing your scalp. So this is my daughter's hair. She's just 3 years old. Okay, so I have been grooming her hair since she was 2, and this is what her hair looks like. Her hair gets thicker by the day. Okay, and this is the back side of her hair. So her hair is a 3B-3C kind of hair texture. Okay, so it's not our normal 4C hair. All right, so this is what her hair looks like when it's all dry and matted. We loosed her hair after the live stream we did here when I was losing her hair. So in here I've boiled all my ingredients. So some things that I did not say in the beginning, inside here I have hibiscus as well, other hibiscus and flaxseed inside this. Okay, I blended everything together, and this is what we have. I will be straining it, so you can add hibiscus. I used two flower of hibiscus and a teaspoon of flaxseed as well. I did a tea, hair growth tea, that is why it's the hibiscus and flaxseed came about. You guys know I always say each time I do a hair growth tea, I always keep it because I can use this as a deep condition. Yeah, so this is the outcome of the deep condition. I'm just going to squeeze everything out, and the paste is what we're going to use as a deep condition. So this is the chaff. You don't need this anymore. You can dispose of this particular one. So in here I'll be adding in this coffee oil. All right, I added a little bit of coffee oil inside, like the coffee oil is the last one I used. So I'll mix everything together and we move into application. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. So this is the deep condition I always use on my hair on wash day routine. When I want to really treat her hair, I use this kind of deep condition to treat her hair. So when I wash her hair normally, I can wash her hair and just use normal condition. Some days I treat it with this deep condition, and it has really helped her hair to thrive. So I just apply and detangle as well, because it's also good as a detangler because of the sliminess it has. All right, besties, so this is what I am doing. Apply detangle with finger detangle, then I'll still go back again with my brush to brush it out. So just in case you are a mom and you're looking for the detangler or a treatment for your child's hair, you can try this. But before you try it with a little batch and make sure that your child don't have any allergy to it. Okay, so I have been using Avidavic spices on my daughter's hair since she was 2 years old, and her hair has accepted it and her hair have been doing good. Even the teas I always spray on my hair, I spray it on her hair before she goes to braid her hair. I use the spray, oil, butter, treat her hair, then she go braid her hair. After she braids her hair, I don't respray again. I just leave her hair like that. Then maybe after 3 days or 4 days, I respray it again, because her hair texture, if you keep on touching it, her hair tends to old on time because of the kind of hair she has. So I'm just applying it little by little, detangling her hair as it goes, because her hair can be really tangled, okay, because of how thick her hair is. So I try so well to do it little by little for her, and she was just complaining in the background, this child. Oh my goodness. But anyway, this is gonna help your child's hair to grow. Okay, so I'm just flowing with the process, and this is what is left. This is the remaining one. I did not use all, so the remaining one I'll use it on my own hair. Yeah, so it's time for me to use the brush to brush her hair. I'm using this detangler brush. It's a bit faster because I had to make the video fast, okay, so that the video will not be so long. All right, so I'm using this detangler brush to detangle it. So just in case you're watching and you see the way it's going so fast, it's because I had to fasten the video. But on a real life, I was taking my time to detangle the hair with the brush. Watch this time, thank you so much for watching. So I used 3 different type of brush, because each one I use, she complained, oh mom, it's paining me. So I said, okay, you bring another brush. I'll say, okay, use this one, I'll use this one. So I just try to make her feel comfortable, because sometimes she doesn't like doing her hair. So I try to make her feel comfortable while making her hair. Okay, so if you want to try this out, it's really amazing. Your child's hair is going to grow. I'm done detangling her hair, and this is what it looks like the coils. Can you see that? Like the coils is giving, like the definition of coils is giving. So after this, I allow her hair to sit for 30 minutes, then rinse out. Okay, so 30 minutes is enough for a kid's hair, but for an adult, you can allow it to sit on your hair for an hour. Okay, so 30 minutes is enough for kids hair. So after 30 minutes, I'll show you guys what her hair looks like the next day, because after I rinse this out, I let her hair to air dry, then I'll show you guys how her hair looked like the next day. So this is the next day. This is what my daughter's hair looks like her coil pattern is so there. Like after this, we went to go and make her hair anyway for school. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. Look at the coily definition. This is how her hair looks like after I have used the deep condition. Then after this, I use my teas, oils and prep her hair for school. So love, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.